drowning in content creation, but starved for time? Let's unlock Kling AI Unlimited and supercharge your video workflow in just 90 seconds. First, head over to Kling AI and log into your account. If you don't have one, signing up is quick and easy. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard. Click the big upload button to bring in your raw video footage. While your video uploads, now's a good time to grab a coffee. Kling AI supports various video formats, so don't worry about compatibility. Keep an eye on that progress bar. Once uploaded, the magic begins. Click on Auto-Caption. Kling AI will automatically transcribe your video and generate captions. Review them and make any necessary edits to ensure accuracy. Next, explore the power of AI Edit. This is where you can automatically cut silences, add background music, and even remove unwanted objects from your video. Experiment with the different options to find what works best for your content. Want to reach a global audience? Use the Translate feature to automatically translate your captions into multiple languages. This is a game changer for expanding your reach. Finally, hit that export button. Choose your desired resolution and file type, then download your professionally edited video. That's it. You've just unlocked the power of Kling AI Unlimited. Now go create some amazing content.